welcome back to Mold Monday. On this episode of Mold Monday, we're asking a fan question. What's the difference between mold and mildew, Joel? Well, you'll find out next on Mold Monday. My main man, Josh Ravencraft, last week asked me, what's the difference between mold and mildew? Well, Josh, here's your answer. One of the biggest differences between mold and mildew is easy. It's pigment, what it eats, and what it looks like. Mildew has a different appearance than mold just because it eats on different things. There's two common appearances in mildew. One is powdery mildew. It looks just what it sounds like. Basically, white splotches. It doesn't really fully coat everything, just white splotches everywhere on your windows, your walls, or even leaves for food sources. Then your second most common appearance of mildew is downy mildew. This one is a primary one that you find on food products. It starts off as yellow dots that typically turn brown. The second difference is how you clean mold and mildew. There couldn't be a bigger difference than how you clean mold and mildew. Cleaning mildew, typically it's as simple as just getting a nice dirty rag, getting some water, getting some soap, doing the whole wax on, wax off motion, and boom, your mildew's gone. With mold, that is not the case. Just don't get a rag and some water and start wiping a wall that has mold on it. You will cause a big, big mess. Don't do that, please. You have to follow the proper remediation steps set forth by the IICRC when you're remediating mold. And most important, the difference between mold and mildew is mold is much, I can't stress this, much more dangerous than mildew. Although I don't suggest you finding some nice powdery mildew and rolling around on it for fun, but it won't harm you nearly as much as rolling around some stack of boats mold. Mold, as we talked about before, is toxigenic. It produces mycotoxins, while mildew does not. So, obviously, if you see mildew, clean it, get a rag, wipe it off, get it out of your environment. If you see mold, call me. I'm available 24/7, 365 to get rid of any and all of your mold problems. Guys, thanks again for tuning in this week's episode of Mold Monday. I had a great time shooting it. Always remember, we're here 365 days a year, 24 hours a day for any of your mold needs. And whenever you're a customer of mine and you hear these three words remediating mold, there it goes, mold, there it goes, you know we did a great job and you're gonna be 100% satisfied with our work. Guys, thank you so much. I'll see you next week. God bless.